Protocol, page 149. Protocol is the standard or rules how data is transferred over network. In other words, how computer and a network should communicate with each other. Some common protocols are Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It is a set of rules for transferring files such as text, graphic, images, and other multimedia files on a World Wide Web. When the user enters a URL, the browser builds an HTTP request. It is then sent to the IP protocol or IP address indicated by the URL. The HTTP at the destination server machine receives the request and sends back the requested file. FTP, it is used to transfer computer files between a client and a server on a computer network. Transmission Control Protocol, a set of rules that defines how computer send packets of data to each other. It is used to establish and maintain a network. TCP usually works with Internet Protocol. Internet Protocol, it defines the rules for exchanging messages between computer across a network, that is from the host or source computer to the destination host, or receiving computer based on their addresses. So you know that when you send or receive data over a network, the message gets divided into small chunks called packets. Each packets contain both sender and receiver internet address. It arrives at the receiver often by different route and time in different order than the order they were sent in. The transmission control protocol puts them back in the right order. So the two protocols together form the Internet Protocol suite, often referred to as TCP and IP. Next one is the Internet Message Access Protocol, IMAP. It is written Internet Message. It is a protocol to send and receive email on a remote server from a local client. Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Simple Mail. It is a protocol for sending email messages from one server to another. These messages can then be retrieved with an email client using either POP or IMAP. POP full form is Post Office Protocol. Please go through this tech help. Intranet. Intra means internal. An intranet is a private network for internal communications. It can only be accessed by authorized user such as an employee of a company, or it is such as an employee of a company. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. It is the address of a specific web page on the internet. URL of the Cambridge website is http://www.cambridgeindia.org. Three basic parts of an URL are there: the domain name and the path. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Specify the protocol used to access the location. States how a web browser should communicate with a web server. www. The address resides in a www subdomain of your domain name. CambridgeIndia.org. Domain name is a unique reference that identifies a website on the internet.